The bourse ended on positive territory on Friday. Today we're seeing losses again. Is this just profit taking?
I won't call it profit taking. Maybe in a slight sense profit taking, but I won't really call it profit taking because one thing, there is no direct push for the market. There is no sustainable impetus that is driving this market right now. So it is on its own free will. So the market traded down today. Basically, I think it's because of lack of interest, lack of push, lack of drive. There's no activity in any way in the market right now. And because this is a very short week, we're not expecting this to change till Wednesday, when the week ends for the stock market. So I think that's what's happening in Nigeria.
Damilola, last week we saw that confidence was returning to the market and the bourse was doing fairly well. So why is there no interest with the start of this week?
Well, last week it had marginal gains. It wasn't like some kind of interest coming in. Yeah, we have investors coming in, taking positions and exiting at their cutoff points, but it is not a long-term sustainable. It's not the long-term investors that are waiting to actually take long-term positions. We're seeing just short-term position taking, and we're seeing them exit quickly as soon as they make their profits. So we're not seeing that sustainable in a long run. Not in a long run. Not till the end of this year. Maybe next year, when the asset management company is fully on ground, then maybe we can see sustainable growth in the bourse in Nigeria. But right now, there's going to be a lot of short-term growth. 2 days high, then it goes low again. So we're not looking at anything sustainable.
Well, Oando has come out with results. How can the company pick up its profit margins going forward?
Yeah, I believe so. More so the fact of the deregulation that is being proposed by the federal government of Nigeria. We were expecting the profit margins from Oando and all downstream oil companies to actually improve going forward. This is due to the fact that they will be able to determine their prices and actually push this down to the consumer. So they'll have better returns in the future, which is what we believe here.
All right, let's break it down a little bit. The devaluation of the Naira has reduced the group's income by about 15%. How exactly is the company going to deal with that? Well,
for the company, astute finance investor will now be looking at ways of hedging against all this currency all the currency fluctuations. They know the way the devaluation has been going, but we also know that in some way the devaluation of the Naira is kind of regulated. It is not going to have a free fall like we've seen before. It is actually regulated in some way. We know that the CBN governor has actually said that it's going to keep it within the bands 3% within plus or minus 150 Naira to the dollar. So it's it actually encourages planning, and for a company like Oando, it actually helps them to plan their finances better.